So hello guys, welcome back. We are here back again with our trading setups. So let's quickly discuss some trade setups for 12th of January. First of all, we have the chart for Nifty on our screen. As we see, this particular script after the breakout of this W pattern gives an upside move of near to 500 points, now trading near to a resistance zone of 18,150 levels. Zooming into the chart to 15-minute time frame, we can see a formation of rising wedge pattern on upper levels. So for this particular script, so if this script forms any bearish pattern at the levels below 18,000, we are going for a short for the first target up to the levels of 17,880. Then after second target at 17,800 levels, up to that levels there is still a gap pending in market. Now let's discuss Bank Nifty also. Here we have the chart for Bank Nifty in daily time frame. As we can see, this particular script is in a straight uptrend from the levels of 34,750 up to the levels of 38,500. Continuous upside move. So for tomorrow's trading session, we are looking for a bearish entry in this particular script. We are witnessing a hanging man candlestick pattern on higher levels. If this script breaks the level of 38,250, we are immediately going for a short entry for the first target up to the levels of 38,000, then a target near to 37,750. There is an upfront resistance zone at 38,900 levels in Bank Nifty. Let's quickly discuss some stocks to trade tomorrow. So our first script is TVS Motor. As we can see on daily time frame, this drawing a Fibonacci retracement from trends low to trends high. We can see this particular script is currently trading near the levels of 0.5 and facing resistance at that levels. Zooming into the chart to 15-minute time frame, if this particular script crosses the levels of 642 in tomorrow's time frame, we are going for a short opportunity up to the levels of 631, because this is also forming a head and shoulder type pattern on 15-minute time frame and gives breakout of this particular pattern, so it may continues in a downside move up to the levels of 630. Our second script is Wipro, and this is Wipro on daily time frame. Here we can see an inside candle pattern on daily time frame. So for tomorrow's trading session, if this particular script crosses the levels of 690 in a downside move, we are going for a short opportunity up to the levels of 682 and 680. For this, our stop loss would be above the levels of 695. Zooming into the chart to 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see a range bound pattern. So crossing the levels of 690, we are immediately going for a short opportunity. If this script opens above this range, we are going to avoid our trade. We do not take a long entry in this particular script. So this is the final script for tomorrow's session. We have chart of PVR on our screen in daily time frame. As we can see, this particular script is currently trading near to its previous resistance level of 1500. Winding the chart to 15-minute time frame, if this script in tomorrow's trading session opens flat and crosses the level of 1470 in a downside move, we are going to short this script up to the levels of 1450. Otherwise, in any case, if this script crosses the levels of 1500, we are going with the trend but with half quantities. So that's all for today. So like, share and subscribe to us for daily intraday analysis and related videos.